week in a row, Larry Johnson hits a game-breaking three-pointer. Raptors fall 87-80. The Raptors are done for the year. Meanwhile, up in Minneapolis, Portland Trail Blazers and the Timberwolves tied 68-68. This is the key basket of the game. It's Kevin Garnett away from Rasheed Wallace. He scores on Ryan Grant. Garnett with 23 points. Timberwolves over the Trailblazers 94-87. There's got some bad blood brewing between the Indians and the Red Sox. It centers around Boston pitching ace Pedro Martinez. Pedro Martinez with the objective to throw the baseball. Red Sox beat the Indians 2-1. Pedro Martinez is 7-0 now against the Indians. Randy Johnson doesn't get older. He just keeps getting better and better. And if you ask Randy Johnson about his incredible milestones, like I've done a couple times, is what's the big deal? Well, it impresses the rest of us, Randy. Today, Randy Johnson entered the record books.
Okay, children, come on inside. Come inside, Shaylee. Come on. Sure, okay, yeah, sure.
He says, I got the pen, and the kid says, you want my beanie, buddy?
This is my car.
No.
My car.
Joe, it's worth something. I'm not giving you that baseball back. Huh? You understand? This will really get you through the Cubs fans. Top of the fourth, Arizona leads 2-0.
I thought you gave your mom the good one. That was the one from mine, right?
No, this is the expensive one from mine. We got the freaking $899 one from mine.
It's had tape on it, then.
Well, that's crap. It's like it's only 500 a day, bro.
Oh my gosh, you should have heard John. When he came up there to tell me when I heard stealing from the song. How do you think those hillbillies feel when niggas cook their food? I didn't want to say nothing, but...
Oh, that's why. You know it's cracked there?
I didn't know it was cracked.
I was like flavor something. Yeah.
You what, Sandy?
They were like the main flavor.
Why?
See, everyone? I bought the Super Glue for no reason today. Look, I don't need it right away. And I'm not going to sniff it either.
Do they eat it? Yeah. And white out.
She looked at it both ways. She looked at 3 kids and goes,
Yeah, all pictures, pictures. Bundles up together.
yeah, we got 10 kids, lady.
All together.
Yeah.
You want one?
We're going to go home and get high because we can't stand these damn things.
Past the bedtime. Oh,
Yeah,
you
so
work?
look at bedtime.
Yeah, it is. Because mom's going to go there early tonight.
Tornado.
There's not a tornado.
So you going to the gym tomorrow?
It was all a big...
Shaylee,
You
Shaylee,
got an appointment at 11.
what are you doing?
I was
The
going
child care
to
system.
What are you doing?
We gotta go.
I know they were saying that when they lived on the trampoline today. There's like 10 million kids on the fucking trampoline. Kids were flying everywhere. Really, there wasn't a lot of kids on
When will we push Tanner's friend off the end of
Don't put anything on me.
I'm not recording. I'm watching a video.
You're full of shit.
You are full of shit.
Yeah, he's full of it.
I got protein.
Jason has one with me. He has like a fourth of the protein that other one does.
There's so many Mexicans at Walmart today.
Yeah, I know, it's crappy.
Is that what happened when I was together?
Yeah.
Right.
Someone's got to make a stand.
Oh, there's rain outside today. Oh, there's rain, you're crazy.
Look at your
Flash flood
rain.
warning today,
Right.
Flash flood warning.
I'm going to
Oh,
America, please, please.
you're full of my underwear.
Or can they say it too?
Yeah, Habla in inglés, por favor. You're in America. And I said, what do you want, man? What am I ready to do? I just fucking along here.
Shannon, get inside. Megan, get inside.
You gotta go to Kroger and get a women's biscuit.
What? Are you psycho? It's raining.
So glad. There's the rain. There's no tornado warnings or anything.
I'm Jason.
Yeah.
Barely.
And I play football.
Didn't even have it held.
I play football on a football field. With a football. Did I play football on a football field with a football?
Yes, I got your picture this one.
You know what?
What?
Everybody in here tonight,
Why all your dead?
they're all just, well, they're just losers. That's pretty much about it.
On the TV? I'm not
They
going
all suck and they can't do anything as good as me. I'm better at golf, better at basketball, better at racquetball, Donald, hint hint, and of course, I'm better at everything. So just don't forget
Yeah, right. And all I have to do is pop it
that
back,
I am the
pop it in,
ruler of the
yes,
world.
Make it look like a little
And
crack.
one of these days, I will rule,
Playing the damn
rule, rule.
Lay in the grass, that's it.
Jason, you should never play in the grass. And you don't rule shit, by the way.
Oh, all these sticks everybody's got.
What the hell's with all these sticks?
Someone's got like 3 dicks poking out.
Let me count how many kids.
Christy!
Mutilated.
Oh, let me count how many kids.
Jimmy!
Let me count how many kids this is there.
And do it down.
There. 13.
Jimmy.
I am.
Yeah, kids in the whole house.
Indigo. Cat in the wall.
Actually had a good time.
Cat in the wall. Cat in the wall.
What's that, babe?
Cat in the wall. Cat in the oh. Cat in the oh.
Hey, do the cow crushers.
No, that's the crowd. No, that's how we do.
Hey, I thought you were the more she's
How do we do
She said she had
crowd
surgery on her wrist. She's under the and she hit a rock when she was playing.
Let me tell you something. If I was a cow
We're chick for chicks.
and I was to be crushed,
Not enough ladies.
I tell you one thing.
She couldn't get
I wouldn't be crushed by a cow.
No, dude, I don't watch the
That's how you remember that. Are you recording?
Okay, everybody tell me what I'm getting. Let's go.
Strawberry Hill. You
You look like my mama. Mama.
That was retarded.
Oh, she makes me so hot. She does. I mean, sometimes when I go home and I lay down, when she starts heating up, I just get hot. And so hot I just want to explode, and trying to keep these kids away from messing with all my equipment at the same time. 'Cause they're always doing it every time. They're always messing with this stuff, and it really makes me mad. Megan, please stop. You're gonna ruin this one day, and your dad is gonna give you a big spanking. He's gonna give you a big old spanking. You're gonna ruin it.
You ever touch a camera crap, I beat you. Do you understand?
And that was on camera. And,
Help me! Help me!
is there milk in there?
That's crazy, guys.
I do, Rachel.
Oh, you're gross. That'd be like
No, I don't even remember what she was.
Skinny.
12-year-old.
I've seen her like 2 or 3 times in my life.
We'll be back. What do you want again? Stouffer's pepperoni pizza. On the little thing.
French bread, I'll take one too. No!
Oh, my car's been
You're fixing to go to your bed.
There. Oh, Dad. Are they taking Shaylee? Shaylee's outside. Shaylee's outside.
Jason, it's like movie time for the kids. So we can usher, dude, like fix up a movie, dude, and put the kids in the bed, dude.
So I can't handle little kids that won't stress out. Like Sandy, dude.
Go away, bastard collies. Go back. Now, hippie. Get that crack out of my hat. Right there.
Here.
So what? I mean, she's still just a little girl. You say that I can't protect her, but I can make this be your life. Just a few days ago, she...
Okay.
Hey, hand me sunscreen, please.
I'm sorry. An accident, dude. Okay, what I did. Soup's up. Soup's up. When it's up. Where's her popping and I'm gonna go right, baby, yeah. They own all the world, All right. Kid Rock. We're here live on the scene, the Metallica and MTV Rock the House Jam, the summer party. Woohoo! Woohoo, baby! Everybody's hype. We're standing here with Kid Rock. Kid Rock, come over here, buddy. We got Kid Rock right here. Believe it or not. Kid, or is it Mr. Rock? Is this party jamming, baby? It's, I rock. Kid Rock sucks! Calm down out there. Kid Rock, bow down, buddy. Bow down, buddy. Now, we all know you're black. Are you black or white, Kid Rock? Mixed. He's a mixture. He's a black and white cookie. I rock. He seems to keep thinking that he rocks. Metallica rocks.
Kid Rock. Kid Rock. What do you have to say about Metallica?
I rock.
Carved upon my stone, my body lies, but still I roam. Hell yeah!
Hey, you doing great?
Kid Rock, we're standing here today at the MTV Video Music Awards, where we have Metallica live in the background. Kid Rock just accepted 2 awards for Stupidest Hippie of the Year and Fag of the Year. Kid Rock, or is it Mr. Rock? How do you feel about your awards?
I rock.
How long's that been off? Fuck. Can you hear me? Could you hear me before? Okay. Ready? And Kenan, you tell someone that. We're standing here at the MTV Music Awards with Metallica playing live with the San Francisco City Orchestra, yeah, in the background. We're standing here live with Kid Rock, ladies and gentlemen. He just took home the award for Kid Rock. I know it says Kid Rock, but you're a rapper, you don't have a guitar. Here's Kid Rock, live. What do you have to say?
I rock. He seems to think he rocks, but he was Fag of the Year.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is groundbreaking. This is unbelievable. Kid Rock has had way too much rock from kids.
Too much rock.
Hold on, here's the chorus. Here's the chorus.
He would bring up classical records. Seventh Overture of G minor.
You want to hear the rest? No, thank you, Kid Rock. Tell us. How did you end up at these MTV Music Awards?
I rock.
Yes. Well, anyway,
Let me say something to all the people out there, okay? Okay, let me tell you something, guy. I rock!
ladies and gentlemen, we are here live at the MTV Music Awards. Let me change Howard Stern and fast forward to Metallica.
When I'm off the air, I don't feel like...
Look, there's Kid Rock on TV. Ladies and gentlemen, Carson Daly here with an MTV interview of Kid Rock. Kid Rock, how you doing today?
Good.
Cut. Okay. Carson Daly here with the MTV interview of Kid Rock. We've looked all over for someone at this party. Finally, we have found him. Kid Rock. How you doing today, buddy?
Good.
Well, we're all doing good today. There's chicks, booze everywhere. Hey! Security, get the... Kid Rock, what do you think about your latest album, buddy?
Good.
What kind of music is it?
Good.
Well, as we have Metallica playing live in our background, Kid Rock. Oh, Lord. We just want to know if you could give us a little sampling of your beautiful music. Hold on. Metallica, turn it down. Turn it down, baby. Turn it down. Turn it down. Talk to me, kid.
Bomb, 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 dang, 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 ding, dong, ding, dong, do, 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 dip, 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 do, 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 dip, 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 do, 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 dip, 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 bomb, 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 dang, 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 ding, dong, ding, dong, do, 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 dip, 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 do, 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 dip, 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 do, do.
Oh, my God. All right, enough of that. Metallica, turn it back up. Kid Rock, Kid Rock! What do you think about Metallica, man? I rock. We have Metallica Live standing right behind us. Ah, I feel so good. Good. Hello. Kid Rock, you ready to jam? This is Donald Rankin here. The special guest tonight at the MTV Adult Video Music Awards, Kid Rock, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing, kid? Nice. He's doing nice. Kid just released a new album that did go platinum. Every black person seemed to bought it. Idiots. Now, kid, why did you go after rap instead of rock? Why isn't your name Kid Rap?
Well, it all started when I was little, kind of young. I, well, lived in the ghetto, and it kind of dawned on me one day as I was playing some rock and roll in my garage. Some nigger came by, black guy, came by, and he knocked on my garage door, and I opened it up nice and kindly because I'm a white boy. And well, he had a shotgun in his hand, and he said, "Don't play none of that nigger music." I said, "What?" I said, "This is rock and roll." He says, "Well, that's what my dad used to tell me." I said, "Well, oh." He said, "Well, oh, stop playing it." I said, "Okay." He said, "You rock." I said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, but you're just a kid." I said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, kid, you rock." I said, "Yeah." He says, "Will you rap for me?" I said, "Yeah." And so I rapped and I rocked, even though I was just a kid.
There's his story, ladies and gentlemen. Kid Rock, you Kid Rock, that's a that's one of the most beautiful stories I've ever heard in my life. Kid Rock, why do you smell like tuna?
Because well, Malcolm. Is that Malcolm?
No. My name is Donald Dar from the MTV Adult Music Video Awards. Remember that, Kid Rap.
What was your question?
I forgot already. Oh, why do you smell like tuna?
Well, I just got done filming.
Oh, and what adult porn actresses did you film with, kid?
Some sluts.
What other women's names? And how were they?
Well, I just called them sluts.
That's what they all are, isn't it, kid?
Well,
ladies and gentlemen, everyone, give a hand for Kid Rock. Let's go, Kid Rock, baby, Kid Rock. Woo-hoo! Peace out, kid. Peace out, kid. Peace out, kid.
peace out.
Peace out, kid. Kid Rock. Okay. No bisexual films.
I just want to kind of end this whole interview with, well, one of my favorite rap songs. It goes a little something like this.
Yo,
I've been sitting down in the hose. Sitting down in the hose, you know. Smell like tuna, smell like tuna. You know, it's gonna sooner hit ya. It's gonna hit ya. It's gonna hit ya. It's gonna get ya. Yo, bitcha, it's gonna hit ya. So sit your ass down, get to the ground, go down to the ground, sit your ass down to the ground.
Kid Rock, calm down.
Oh yeah,
Kid Rock,
oh yeah,
Kid Rock.
oh yeah.
Kid Rock. Calm down, Kid Rock.
I'm busy. Oh yeah.
Kid Rock. Ladies and gentlemen, Kid Rock. Can we cue out here? Ladies, cue out. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the wonderfully awesome Kid Rock. There's no one else like him. Kid, can I have one more moment with you, kid? Now, why do you act like you're all strung out on dope and alcohol and tuna?
That's an easy question to answer.
Kid Rock, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? Don't OD on us, buddy. You okay, Kid Rock?
Listen, man. I give you a cheeseburger. I suck your dick, man. Give me some crack, dog. Give me some crack. Crack. I have been under disguise this entire time as Kid Rock, but in actuality, I am Bond. James Bond. Junior. And I've busted you here at this nude place. Nude place. And it's not a very pretty sight. Now, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. You're all going to jail. Jail. Yes.
Mr. Bond? We have proof to believe that this is a phony James Bond. I am Ethan Hunt from Mission Impossible. He is not Bond. Are you? He is Kid Rock's bisexual lover, aren't you? That's why you smell like tuna, because that's what his ass tastes like.
Damn it, dude! God!
Ladies and gentlemen, my nipples feel good.
I also suspect that this man here is a fake, and I will prove him wrong. He thinks he is someone from Mission Impossible. He is not someone from Mission Impossible. Look at that face! Look at it! Look at that nose! That's too damn big for Mission Impossible. Tom Cruise is a big nose. Banana. Banana. Banana.
Having the movie playing behind us on the screen while you play, all of that corny stuff we've done before.
That's kind of sticking with the idea of Mission Impossible is kind of doing things that they wouldn't have done before. Wayne just came up with 4 great concepts.
James Bond, we have found proof that this is your baby. He had this with Maria Shriver, Arnold's wife.
Shh, be quiet, man. Be quiet, man.
Watch it.
Quiet, dude. Man.
Acts just like it.
We want the biggest video possible, and when you want the biggest video possible in the year 2000, you call Wayne Heisman.
Sound keep going off?
Yeah, it keeps cutting.
Yeah.
Where those people were at. It was alcohol and hard drugs. There was a
Love you. What?
Hey,
show me your tits.
No. No.
Show them to me real quick.
Uh-uh.
I won't let anybody see it. I'll fast forward it whenever we're watching it.
Yeah, right.
Come on. Just real quick. Look at those chinongas. Sorry, I can't see that. Anybody want to see Christy's tits? Come on here.
That looks sexy, baby.
Oh, yes, baby.
Let me see. Wait. I'm shaking. On the back of the circle.
Christy.
Why don't the guys ride together and the girls ride together?
Hey, Mrs. Ignore me.
She was like our little bodyguard or whatever. So, anyways, so she gets scared.